Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Glad to see you again in my practical work video. But before we go to the experiment, let me introduce myself first. I am Qurrotu Aini, Laila from G-Class Practical Work of Physical Pharmacy with my students number 20, 61, 30, and 33. So today I'm going to show you the practicum about rheology. In this video, we will talk about the various type of law. The first one is Newtonian, and then the second one is non-Newtonian. Non-Newtonian divided into three. The first one is non-Newtonian plastis, and then non-Newtonian pseudoplastis, and then the last one, non-Newtonian dilatant. So, do you know what about rheology? In Martin's book, Pharmacy, Physics, and Pharmaceutical Science, that written by Patrick Jacinko, rheology comes from Greek, rheo, and logos. Rheo means flow, and logos means science. Rheology proposed by Bingham and his friend Crawford to describe the type of flow and liquid flow and also solids deformation. Rheology closely related to viscosity. What is viscosity? Viscosity is a statement about the resistance of liquid to flow. The higher the viscosity, the greater the resistance, and vice versa. Well, without any further ado, let's move to the experiment. So guys, here is the tools and the materials. The first one, we have aloe vera. And then we have rice flour, we have water and bottle, and then we have bowl and also spoon, and the last one we have clear glass. First experiment is to analyze Newtonian flow. We have to stir water with spoon from low to high speed. Then feel whether there is a change in viscosity or not. We can take a look in that graphic that Newtonian fluid is a fluid that has a linear stress curve. This fluid will continue to flow even though it's given an action force. Like the previous video, the viscosity of this fluid does not change even we have stirred it first. The viscosity of Newtonian fluids only change when it's affected by temperature and pressure. This experiment is to analyze non-Newtonian plastic. We have flour here and then we have to put the flour in a bottle that's filled with water. Turn the bottle position, then analyze. There is a powdery deposits. We have to shake the bottle until the water and flour are combined and can flow. Take a look here that there is no powdery deposits. So, non-Newtonian plastic known as Bingham bodies that related to suspended particles. Plastic fluida or plastic flow will not flow until the shearing stress has passed the yield value. Yield value is what is needed to convert to the Newtonian form. We can take a look at the video that the viscosity will decrease with the application of rapid stirring forces. Next, to analyze non-Newtonian pseudoplastic, we have to stir the aloe vera gel with spoon, stirring rapidly until it becomes lighter. As you can see in the video that the aloe vera become lighter. Non-Newtonian pseudoplastic are also referred to shear thinning fluids, that the viscosity of these fluids will decrease with increasing shear rates. Typical examples for pseudoplastic fluids are polymer solution and similar solution of high molecular weight substance. At low shear rates, these liquids will experience the formation of shear stress. The shear stress results in the reordering of the molecules in order to reduce the overall stress. Next, the fourth experiment is to analyze non-Newtonian dilatant. We have here rice flour and water. Start to stir them and you can feel it becomes hardening or drying. After stirring, I feel that the mixture becomes hardening and the viscosity is increased here. Non-Newtonian flow dilatant, known as shear thickening, that the viscosity will increase it during the rapid of stirring. If the stress is removed, the dilatant fluid will return to its original form. Then, what is correlation between pharmacy and rheology? Rheology is widely used in researching like inks, paints, dogs, cosmetics, and many other things. Rheology in pharmaceutical world applied in manufacture of drug formulation and their analysis. As a simple example, a factory must provide a produce or a cream with a good consistency which is comfortable to use and soft so that it's produce a good quality product that accepted by many people outside. Rheological system in pharmacy affect to the tools and also the material used in preparation of drugs formulation. So that's all the experiment about rheology. Hope it clear and you can understand. And I hope it's beneficial to all who watch this video. Sorry if there are still many shortcomings in my video. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.